Running Facebook ads for clients involves understanding their business goals, target audience, and marketing objectives to create and manage effective ad campaigns. Here's a step-by-step guide. Client consultation. Begin by meeting with your client to discuss their business goals, target audience, budget, and expectations for the Facebook ad campaign. Set up Business Manager. Create a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't already and request access to your client's Facebook page and ad accounts. Define audience. Use Facebook's targeting options to define the client's target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and past purchase behavior. Create ad creative. Design compelling ad creative that aligns with the client's brand and messaging. Use high-quality images or videos and persuasive ad copy to attract attention and drive engagement. Set budget and schedule. Determine the client's ad budget and schedule, including daily or lifetime budget and ad placement options. A launch campaign. Set up the ad campaign in Facebook Ads Manager, ensuring that the targeting, ad creative, budget, and schedule are all configured correctly. Monitor and optimize. Monitor the performance of the ad campaigns regularly and make adjustments to targeting, ad creative, and budget based on the results to optimize performance and achieve the client's objectives.